When you learn, it's not about you. Everything to learn is out there. Even if you're listening to music, it's coming from out there. Even if it's on, the headphones are very bad because it makes you internal. Everything becomes what we call narcissistic, solipsistic. It's all internal. It's all about me being the center of the world. That's the problem about social media, is that it's all about me. I take the photos, me. When in order to grow as a human being and to get knowledge, the answers are out there.
Xin trân trọng kính chào quý thầy cô có mặt trong khán phòng ngày hôm nay để tham dự chương trình mở màn trong sự kiện Khoẻ để cống hiến và hạnh phúc 2025.